Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group B, and today we are pleased to present our assessment report from the customer behavior course about attitude and how to change bottled water mineral. First, let us introduce our group member first. I'm Muhammad Zutir Asya, and with me are Kansa Arfa Zahid dan Rosadela Ivana, Aurora Rizky Sabrina, Willy Marcelino, Nazwa Aulia Nadira, Noval Fikri Setiawan.
In this chapter, I will talk about how Liminar use a persuasion model, attitude, and behavior to promote the product. According to Michael R. Solomon, persuasion is an active effort to change how people think. In marketing, it's used to shape customer opinions and influence their buying decision. This can be done through strong fact, emotional ads, or support from celebrity and influencer. Solomon also say that way people respond to persuasion depends on how important that the decision is to them. If the product is important, people use what we call the center route. This means they think careful about the product quality, benefit, and feature. But if the decision feel less important, they use peripheral route. It means where they are more influenced by appearance, emotion, or famous people. For the picture about a flowchart of the persuasion liminal model, liminal also use both of the route. For the center route, they are give a clear information. They are also share the information through the website, product labels, and television ads to help people to understand the healthy benefit. For the peripheral route, Liminal also focus on emotional and visual appeal. This means the strategy are effective for the people who make quick decision or are drawn in by the product appearance. They are also have three main elements. First is search. Liminar is support by healthy expert and celebrity. It mean making the brand more trusted and worthy. The second is the message. They use the slogan "Pilih sehat, pilih mineral" which is combine logical and emotional appeal. And the last is the communication channel. They use a mix of traditional and digital media like television, social media, and in-store promotion. By using both of logic and emotion in their strategy, Liminal also build a strong brand awareness and create a emotional connection with the consumer.
Okay, next about attitude function analysis. Uh, this slide explains how consumer attitudes toward clay mineral can be analyzed using consumer behavior theory. According to Solomon, there are four main functions of attitudes, namely the utilitarian function, ego-defensive function, value-expressive function, and knowledge function. Clay mineral fulfills the utilitarian function because it offers a fresh taste and healthy water quality. From the ego-defensive perspective, consumers feel more confident and healthy when choosing Le Mineral. Then, this product also reflects the value of a healthy lifestyle, thus fitting into the expressive function of values. Finally, through education and campaigns, Le Mineral helps consumers understand the importance of mineral water, which fall under the knowledge function. So, a mineral marketing strategy touches on both the rational and emotional aspect of consumer in a balanced manner.
In this part, I will explain how Le Mineral use cognitive and affective focus to promote their product. According to Solomon 2024, page 156, attitudes include cognitive belief and affective emotional elements. In this case, Le Mineral utilizes both aspects with promotional strategies through television and social media to shape positive perception while also creating emotional closeness with consumer. The use of the tagline "Kayak ada manis-manisnya" becomes a unique attraction that piques curiosity and encourages consumers to try the product. First, cognitive. The Le Mineral advertisement satu-satunya yang cantumin kandungan mineral di labelnya highlights the cognitive aspect by conveying rational information about health benefits. Its main focus is to educate consumers about the importance of mineral intake and encourage purchasing decisions based on logic and health consideration. Next, effective. The Le Mineral advertisement asli milik Indonesia, pilihan generasi kebanggaan bangsa, emphasize the effective aspect through nationalism and accomplice figures to build emotion bonds. The cognitive elements serve only as a supporting background. This strategy set positive perception and influence consumer behavior in choosing Le Mineral.
Okay, next message exposure elaboration likelihood model ELM. According to the elaboration likelihood model ELM, persuasive message can influence a consumer track to routes, the central route and the peripheral route Solomon 2024 page 166. Le Mineral tends to use peripheral route which relies on visual and emotional apples such as water, less effects, refreshing moments, the slogan ada manis-manisnya, and celebrity endorsement. This aligns with the characteristic of bottled water as a low involvement product where consumers are more responsive to visual elements, ambience, and emotional symbol rather than rational information. This strategy is effective in building a brand image that is enjoyable, fresh, and easily recognizable, especially among young people who value emotional experience when interacting with the brand.
So for the next part is the type of message appeal. Let's begin with the main appeal used by Le Mineral, which is emotional. A year ago, Le Mineral have or made their packaging of their water bottle that shows our renowned national athletes of Indonesia. In this campaign, the brand featured Indonesian national athletes to evoke a sense of pride, energy, and positivity. Instead of using overly dramatic and sentimental tones, the ad focuses on being light, friendly, and easy to remember, creating feel good connection with the audience. The audience perception. From our interviews, viewers described the ad as cheerful and relatable. One respondent even mentioned that it made them curious to try the product. This shows that while the ad taps into emotion, it does so in a subtle, happy way that's easy to engage with. Subtle rational elements. Interestingly, although emotion dominates the tone, some rational elements are also embedded. For instance, many viewers noticed the triple layer protection of the bottle and appreciated the emphasis on hygiene and safety. These rational points help reinforce trust in the product. Platform adaptation. Beyond traditional TV ads, Le Mineral adapts its message for digital platforms. On Instagram, for example, the content includes soft humor and catchy lines like "Ada manis-manisnya," which younger audiences find engaging and memorable. This flexibility helps the brand stay relevant across various channels. Also, we have theory insight from Solomon 2024. To tie this into theory, Solomon explains that emotional appeals are particularly effective for low-inflammatory products like bottled water. Le Mineral strategy aligns with this, using emotion to grab attention quickly while still including subtle rational claims to back it up.
Okay, next about medium and channel usage. In digital era, choosing the right communication channel is crucial for building brand image. According to Solomon, various media such as TV, social media, billboards, and even small items like matchbox can be used to convey marketing messages. Limonreal utilizes a combination of digital and traditional media. Many consumers first got to know this brand through TV commercial with the tagline, "There's a hint of sweetness." Now, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have become the mainstay for reaching young people more personally, such as through the Liminal Water Run campaign that promotes a healthy lifestyle through engaging content and collaboration with influencers. The Le Mineral website provides information about product, certification, and programs such as the Gerakan Indonesia Sehat. Meanwhile, billboards and advertisement on public transportation and store stickers reinforce the brand's presence in public space. Overall, Instagram and TikTok are the most effective platform for building brand awareness among the youth, while TV remains important for creating a first impression. Previously, using various channels, Remenra used successfully built strong brand recognition and loyalty.
For the next part is key finding summary. For the first part is consumer drivers. Based on our interviews, we found that purchasing decisions are influenced by two key drivers, rational and emotional factors. Rationally, consumers appreciate minerals, fresher taste, safe and hygienic packaging, and affordable price. Emotionally, they feel the brand represents a healthy lifestyle and their personal values, especially those related to well-being. Second part is attitude functions. This relates to two main attitudes functions. The utilitarian function, where customers choose based on practical benefits, and the value expressive functions, where their choices reflect who they are and what they care about. The third part is ELM approach. From the elaboration likelihood model, Le Mineral uses both central and peripheral routes. For highly involved consumers, they highlight technical information like mineral content and product safety. For less involved consumers, they use peripheral cues like celebrities, uplifting music, and visuals of happy, healthy families. The next part is message focus. The message focus is mainly cognitive, emphasizing facts and product benefits, but they also smartly include effective messaging, portraying family moments, sport activities, and healthy living to create emotional engagement. The next part is message appeal. They combine rational appeals with factual explanations and emotional appeals through relatable storytelling and brand ambassadors that connect with consumers' lifestyle. The last thing is communication channels. In terms of channels, Le Mineral uses both above the line media like TV, billboards, and print ads, and below the line activities such as free product sampling, event presence, and strong digital engagement on platforms like Instagram and YouTube. So the conclusion is Le Mineral successfully builds customer trust and appeal by combining both emotional and rational strategies across multiple channel, positioning itself as a safe, high quality, and relatable brand for a wide audience.
Next, in this part, Nazwa and I will explain recommendation for strategy improvement for Le Mineral. First, analysis of existing condition based on interview and advertisement. Based on interview, most respondents are satisfied with Le Mineral due to its fresher taste, premium and practical bottle design, although there are suggestions regarding bottle comfort and environmental issues. Le Mineral advertisement, which highlight emotion and consumer experience, is considered more attractive and effective compared to advertisement that focus on technical information. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are considered the most effective media for reaching and influencing consumers. Next, based on advertisement. The advertisement Le Mineral Asal Milik Indonesia Pilihan Generasi Kebanggaan Bangsa highlights an effective approach by building emotion bonds and nationalism rather than focusing on the technical benefits of the product. The advertisement, Le Mineral satu-satunya yang cantumin kandungan mineral di labelnya, use a cognitive approach by conveying rational information about health benefit and transparency of mineral content. The combination the combination of effective and cognitive approaches in advertisement on social media platforms like YouTube effectively influences consumer attitude and behaviors, and strengthen the positive image of Le Mineral as a healthy and prideful product.
Next, marketing strategy recommendation based on analysis. Le Mineral is advised to continue highlighting freshness and premium design, strong visual and emotional approach. Additionally, consumer concern about environmental issues present an opportunity to build a more responsible brand image. For example, through education on recycling and sustainability campaign, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube remain the main channel for effectively reaching young consumers. Next, advertisement. Le Mineral is advised to continue developing an effective approach in its advertisement, such as in the video Le Mineral Asli Milik Indonesia, which successfully built emotional bonds and a sense of nationalism without lighting technical feature relevant social terms such as a healthy lifestyle, education, and the environment can strengthen consumer emotional engagement. Meanwhile, advertisement like Le Mineral satu-satunya yang mencantumkan kandungan mineral pada labelnya show that a cognitive approach is also important. The delivery of product benefit in education and easily understandable manner, such as the doctors or infographics, can build trust and functional perception. Optimizing platform like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram is important to align content format with digital consumer behavior. Short light content is suitable for TikTok. Education content can be focused on YouTube.
Next, this slide shows the result of the interview analysis with 5 respondents. Most respondents were initially neutral or indifferent. Their attitude changed positively after being exposed to advertising on TV, Instagram, TikTok, banner, and mini market promotion. Trigger for attitude change include visual freshness, quality information, bottle visual, storytelling, and hygienic packaging. The end effect is that they become more interested, aware of product quality, and become regular buyer and loyal to Liberal.
And then we go to the analysis conclusion. First, let's look at the key insights. Initially, most people perceive Le Mineral as just a regular mineral water brand. However, the slogan Ada Manis-Manisnya, which means there's a hint of sweetness, successfully sparked curiosity. After trying products, their perception became more positive. In terms of attitude function, the most dominant is the utilitarian function. Consumers appreciate the fresh taste of the sturdy, hygienic bottle. There's also value expressive function, where the modern design of the bottle gives a premium feeling. In addition, the knowledge function appears because the unique claim triggered their curiosity to try it. Next, we go to the emotional focus. The emotional focus dominates over the cognitive focus. Le Mineral advertisement emphasize creating a refreshing and enjoyable atmosphere rather than providing technical data. In the elaboration likelihood model, Le Mineral mainly use a peripheral route, relying on attractive visual, celebrities, and a refreshing ambience to influence consumer. For the types of appeal, Le Mineral combines emotional, freshness and joy, and logical appeals, which is highlighting bottle safety and hygiene. Regarding media channels, Le Mineral use a mix of digital media, which is Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and additional media, which is TV, and billboards. This combination helps them reach a wider audience effectively. In conclusion, communication strategy is quite effective. Emotional message, fresh visual, and premium packaging help shift consumer perception and build loyalty.
And that is the final part of our presentation on the assigned task. We apologize for any mistakes and truly appreciate your time and attention. Thank you for listening. That concludes our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.